Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, also known as Shy Hayes, and today we're doing a fall inspired makeup. So let's just get into it. Hey y'all, so we are doing a fall inspired makeup, and today we're starting off with skincare. I'm using this Earth to Skin Watermelon Serum, one of my favorites. It's so silky. It smells super good, by the way. So I'm just going to put this on my face so we could prep the skin, and then afterwards we're actually about to get right into our hair. Yes, I'm going to be laying out my baby hairs for you guys. So today I'm going to be using the argan oil foam wrap, and this is actually from Cream of Nature. Probably one of my favorite foaming wraps. A lot of people use the Nairobi one, which I use as well, but this one right here, it just does the trick for me. So I'm laying out my baby hairs. I'm trying to form them in the right direction, and I'm going in and I'm using this edge brush. This I got from Sam's Beauty. I'll have the link to everything I'm using down below in the description box as well. So you guys, we're going to use Edge Booster. I have a love and hate relationship with Edge Booster because it be holding my hair down, but y'all, it be flaking up. I don't like that. So if you guys have any edge controls that you guys want me to try, comment it down below. And I know you guys also seen that I did use a hairspray as well. I have to use these steps because I have 4C hair and it will definitely curl up if I don't take these steps. So I have to do that. I'm going to wrap my hair and I'm going to leave the scarf on for about 10 minutes. And yeah, we're going to start off with putting on some lip plumper. Again, I'll have the link to everything I'm using down below in the description box, so you guys could do the same look as me or whatever if you want. But yeah, I'm going to be putting on my primer, and now I'm actually going to be setting my face. Not even setting it, I'm just going to be misting it with this hydration or luminous spray from Morphe, which I love. And it actually smells pretty good too. And look at my baby hairs. It kind of laid down a little bit. So I'm using this Morphe foundation. This is a very matte foundation, and it's very much not my color. And I also forgot to color correct. So you guys are going to see me blend this out. And then I'm going to go ahead, color correct with some orange concealer, which I actually did not even need to use, honestly, because it did not make any difference at all. Also, yeah, I am trying to do this voiceover in one take. So if you guys hear any like background noise, if you guys hear me like stumbling over my words, that is why. Because I do not have time to keep repeating this voiceover, so I'm trying to do it in one take today. And yeah, I'm going in and I'm putting on more of this foundation, as you guys can see, and we're gonna do one of my favorite steps. I love a good concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I believe this is in something beige. I don't know, it's kind of beigey to me, so I think it's the beige color. Again, everything will be down below in the description box. I'm going to be placing this under my eyes because you guys already know that I am half raccoon, so I gotta do that. The bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, corners of my lip. Baby, it's going on everywhere. So we're definitely going to conceal that. I'm going to blend that in with one of my favorite concealer brushes. And we're gonna, today, I'm just going for something warm. And it's so funny that I'm going for something really warm, and my foundation is like super light on me, and the concealer is super light, but it's gonna really come together. I'm gonna be using Beautiful Bronze, my favorite concealer from LA Girl. Yeah, y'all know what I'm trying to say. That is literally one of my favorite concealers. I love the name of it. I love the color it gives. I love how it blends. Literally one of my faves. I'm going to be using my same foundation brush to actually blend this out so it could blend into my skin really, really well. And this is just a regular flat foundation brush. You guys, you probably have one. Or you could even use a beauty blender. Those works really, really well when you're trying to blend out these colors. So I'm now actually going to blend out the highlight and the bridge of my nose. I like to save that for last so I can really get that bright look. And then I'm also going to blend out the rest of that beautiful bronze. So I'm also going to be setting my face today with some powder, Normally, I don't like to do this because my skin is already dry. But that is also why I did spray some more Morphe setting spray. Just to make sure that my face get a little hydration. So I use the Sacha Buttercup Cosmetics setting powder. I'm putting that on my eyelids and everywhere else where I use concealer, so it doesn't budge or move throughout the day. And y'all, I forgot how much I actually love this powder. If you watch any of my earlier videos, you already know I used to use this powder all the time until I realized that it was kind of too light. But now, y'all, I kind of like it. Like, I don't know. It wouldn't be full if we did not finish bronzing. I'm using my Hoola Beauty bronzer, one of my faves. Okay, I say that every video, but y'all, I only use products I like. Like, I really only use products that I like. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put that on as well as this bronzing powder. And this is from Sun Club. No, I'm lying. This is from Essence. Yes, this is from Essence and it's super affordable. I'm going to be putting this everywhere where I put the beautiful bronze shade, just to hypen that up, to set it in place, and to really get that bronzy glow. Ugh, love it. We're going to be doing eyebrows, and I need my eyebrows done, but I'm also trying to grow them out so they could be way fuller like how they used to be back in the day. So I'm going to be growing those out. You guys are going to see me go through different phases. But yeah, I love, love, love the Benefit Brow line. Yeah, and this was $12. Ulta had a sale, so I had to rack up on some of them. So I really did that. We're going over my Nars Concealer, another holy grail of mine. I'm going to be cleaning up under my brows. I'm using this because it is thicker and it is going to stay in place just a little bit longer than the LA Girl concealer. Blend that out with my finger, and y'all, let's start the show. The Origin palette from Beauty Bay. Can we get a round of applause? No? Okay. But anyways, I'm going in with this really light shade. I'm going to pop this into my crease just to get a base, so that way we could start blending the colors on top. You guys are only going to be seeing me do one eye on camera, and yeah, just to cut down the time a bit. So we're going to go in with those two shades, and we're going to put that right underneath the first shade that we used and just blend that out. And this is more of like an orangey, really light shade. It kind of screams fall, doesn't it? We're going to go in with this kind of pumpkin-y shade. It's not so much pumpkin, but it's pretty close. And this is really going to blend out really, really, really nicely. Also, the brushes that I am using today is from Morphe as well. We're going to go in with this deeper shade. As you guys can see, it's kind of a pattern that I'm going on here with. Just going to keep building up, going with deeper and deeper shades just to get that gradient. And I think that's coming out really nice. I actually, kind of freestyled this because I didn't know what I was doing. But anyways, we're going to go in with that darker plum shade, which I love. One of my favorite colors from this palette. And I'm going to put that in my outer corner. And then we're going to mix this black and that lighter shade as well and pop that in the crease, just to make the eyeshadow on the lid pop even more. Also, you guys, I did go in off camera and I actually put more of the same shades on my lid just so it could pop more. I also did my eyeliner, lashes, and mascara off camera. But y'all, your girl came back and she looked kind of good. So we're going in with my Milani blush, and this is how it looks in the pack. Really, really pretty blush, and it has like glitter in it. Not glitter, but reflex in it. So you can use this as a highlighter as well. I'm going with my Cookie Benefit highlighter. Love, love, love this. We're going to put this all on the high cheekbones, bridging the nose, above my lip, chin, eyebrows, all that good stuff. And it's going to look bomb. Y'all know I love to look like a glazed donut. So that was my goal for today as well. But to also look kind of matte. I was feeling the matte look. I'm going in with this nude stick from Beauty Bay as well. This is just going to help open and brighten my eyes just a little bit more. And yeah, we're almost done. What the heck? That was super quick. So I'm doing my lips now. Going to line up with this really dark brown liquid liner, and then I'm going to fill that in with my NYX Lip Lingerie, and I believe that's in Corset, one of my favorite lip lingeries, because y'all know they have a lot. So if you don't have a NYX Lip Lingerie, you could use any like really light caramel nude kind of shade, and that should work out really fine. And this is the look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DBeautyForever.